Hi guys, I am Soumya Acharya and today I'm going to be discussing about addiction. What causes addiction and how do we get pulled into the whirlpool of addiction? Are you ready? Let's get started. So what is addiction? Addiction is something that we always try and do over and over again in excess without being able to stop. Right? So we fall into this phase wherein we always try and look out for something outside of us in order to change the way we feel internally. Right? We all want to change our internal state. We all want to change the way we feel. But people who are addicted always try and focus on that external factor, on that thing which is lying outside of them to give that internal peace for them for dealing with a situation or a solution. It could be stress, it could be loneliness, it could be depression, it could be anxiety, it could be anything. So it could be through addiction is something that can be in the form of excessive shopping. It could be in the form of excessive drinking, excessive smoking, excessive going on vacations or getting obsessed over someone or something. It can be in the form of anything, like the way I just described, giving few examples, right? So anything that is done in excess to change the way we feel is addiction, right? So most of us are programmed in such a way that we always feel the way we feel internally is always determined by what we feel outside of us, right? People are designed in such a way that they always depend on something external to be able to feel good, and their the state of their feeling inside is directly proportional to what exactly is the state that they are in, depending on the outside force. For example, we wait for our wealth to feel abundant. We wait for our healing to occur to feel good about ourselves. We wait for new relationships to feel loved. We wait for our problems to get solved on its own. So all we do is keep waiting, and we always associate our happiness, our inner peace, with something outside of us, and that creates a dependency. And when we try and do over and over again, and we feel that it is kind of giving us some inner peace, we get so obsessed over it that we continue to do it repeatedly, right? So that's what happens. See, we always wait for something external to feel good inside. We confuse pleasure with the term happiness, and they're not the same thing. Usually, people who are addicted are people who had some traumatic experiences, some unresolved emotions, and they're so caged up. They don't know how to change. They're looking for some relief, and they get this relief through these outer experiences, which they crave for, like drinking, smoking, drugs, excessive shopping, excessive eating, and things like that, right? So these addictions give them a momentary relief, and they don't have to really think about topics that kind of really have hurt them and face the problems from the core, from the root. But instead they go for these momentary workarounds wherein they just get distracted from the original cause of their emotional distress and look for something temporarily in order to forget what caused the pain in the first place, right? So I understand these addictions might provide temporary relief, but in the longer run it's going to really create a lot of detrimental effect with respect to the mental as well as the physical health is concerned, right? Our brain gets so desensitized that the same quantity or the same level, same amount of the external objects or external things that we are so used to would not suffice, and we kind of long for more quantities, more amounts of these things. For example, one peg a day gets increased to two. One pair of jeans gets increased to 2 or 3. One cigarette a day increases to 2 cigarettes a day. 1 or 2 times eating junk food in a week may get increased to 4 times. eating outside, you know. So this is where I'm coming from, right? So this cycle gets continued, and it turns into a vicious cycle. You know, remember, you know, as I said in my previous video, same thoughts lead to same behavior, same behavior leads to same actions, same actions lead to same experiences, and same experiences leads to same results. So how do we break this vicious cycle, and how do we get out of this is something that we all need to really think about, and focus on the core instead of just going for temporary relief. Now that you know what causes addiction, I'm sure you would be curious to know how to stop it as well, right? Sure, I'm going to be discussing about this in my next video as to how exactly we could overcome addiction. So stay tuned for my next video. And at the same time, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and feel free to drop in your comments. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers, stay safe, bye bye.